April to watch the launches today. We're gonna see a rocket launch! We're gonna see 2 rocket launches. Alright. We're running late, but we have pizza. So,
do you want pizza first?
Baby, I want to get on the road.
Look at how delicious she looks.
Can you just grab 2 slices? I'm gonna start the car.
Yeah. Alright, you gotta hold these.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
My pineapple!
We just ate pizza. We ate 1 slice. Now we're gonna eat Cinnabite. I'm ready for 3 more slices. But we can... Yeah. Don't let me get one that will drip.
Okay, I won't give you one that will drip.
No, you get one.
Okay. If we cheers, it might drip. Okay. Ready for your next slice?
Yeah, it's in the bowl.
There you go. Okay. One more for me.
We are currently heading out and not going to hit this family that's running across the street because the Crew 10 mission for tonight has been scrubbed, or it's just not happening because of some kind of hydraulic issue. So yeah, we still have a launch opportunity left for 10:30 tonight.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Shit, I
0. Lift off.
She was a fairy. That's what it's giving.
we're going to send it Saturday. Oh, not the copyright.
We're going to send it.
Yeah, it's at
Leadfoot City.
Yeah, that's what it's called. We've never been. I think it just opened.
Yeah, we're gonna go see one of our friends.
Yeah.
We're gonna go watch some drift.
This is our collaboration with with Chris. But yeah, we're also picking up someone that we've never met.
You're gonna let them merge?
Yeah, I'll let them merge. So
we're gonna go pick up my Mormon cousin.
the layers that joke has, but yeah,
I think that's it.
we think he likes cars, so
We're not sure.
yeah.
Well, I guess we'll find out.
to pick up my bumper for the 46 at UroTuning. I've never actually been inside. I've been twice at a Cars and Coffee event, but
You went twice? She went without me 2 times.
I went once with my mom. She used to work on Saturdays, so she could never go anyways.
That's true.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you there. Sweet.
We at UroTuning. You can't see on the sign. Oh my god.
Hello?
It's just so dark. Yeah. Okay, she told me to get out. We got the goods. Anyways, shout out Joe, right?
The car sounds like it's about to take off.
It's the fucking wrap.